Alright, so we're going to color this image and still from the Night Before Christmas collection. Here are the colors that we're going to be using today using Ohuhu bullet nib markers. So we're going to start, I'm going to show you the tip of the marker so you know what I'm going to use. So if you want to replicate the coloring, this is the color I used for this specific part of this image, and I am doing all this coloring in preparation for embellishment week for hashtag PHA Christmas in July. Hashtag PHA 2021 Christmas in July, and that's our group PHA, which is Paper Hoarders Anonymous, and we are trying to get a head start for Christmas 2021, and we're gonna have some time doing some holiday crafting, which is super fun. I hope you can join us. So as you can see, I'm just using the same colored marker and coloring over the same part of the image so that I can do a little bit of shading. I'm also going to use the number 10 for the bow, and then for the next part I am going to be using, I'm going to show you what number it is, don't worry. This is 141 for the gingerbread. I love this color. I also like 126 actually. So 126 and 141 are my favorite for gingerbread or cookies or critters like teddy bears or like deer, that kind of stuff. So I'm coloring it, and I'm just recoloring on the left lower quadrant and on the left side, so that it looks like there's a little bit of blending happening, but it is still the same color marker. Since these images are super small, I'm not doing a lot of blending technically. It's just the same color of marker. I'm just going through it over again just so it has a semblance of the blending. This is number 68, which is a small tiny little gift. And then the next one is going to be, I think, the candy cane. So I'm coloring the candy cane with 28 as the entire thing. I'm coloring that first. And then by using the number 8, I'm coloring the stripes. I think it's super cute to get that stripe with pink, because the stockings is already red. Normally, traditionally, the candy canes are red, but I want to color it pink because there's still pink in the collection. So I think it's still going to be cute and it's going to match. It's going to be fun. Next one I think is going to be the green. So there's two colors that I'm using with the green. The first one is 47, which is the darker green. I'm going to color half of it. And then after that, I'm going to get the number 48 right there. And then that's going to be the lighter part of the leaf. So that's pretty much all the blending that I have. I colored the button on the gingerbread number 10, which is red, the same color as the stockings. Number 28 would be for the cheeks. It's hard to see, but it's cute in real life. You can also use 28 or 8. Both are still cute. And then this one is just a shadow. I think it adds a little something extra to the image, and this is NG0 as like the shadow, very light gray, like neutral gray. And then I'm going to use it on the white part of the stockings also. An important part also of this is having a jelly roll. This is 08, and just the highlights. It makes a huge difference, I promise, especially in the candy cane. You're gonna see it makes a huge difference. But that's pretty much it. Bye.